Today you've selected the Striplox Multi-Purpose Joiner. Let's take a look at what's inside the pack. 4 male components, 4 female components, and 1 set of positioning jigs. On this product there is a locking tab. If you leave the locking tab in place, it will become a permanent fix. By removing the locking tab, you'll be able to dismantle your project. To remove the locking tab, all I'm going to use is a screwdriver underneath the locking tab, flick it up and remove it. The only screw suitable for the Striplox product is a size 8 countersunk flathead screw.